We are the children of Enugu State, University of Science and Technology.
The Vice Chancellor, Professor Aloysius Michael Ndabugu Okolie, on behalf of Council, Senate, Management, Staff and Students of Enugu State University of Science and Technology, Esut, cordially invites the university community and concerned public to the 42nd Inaugural Lecture of Enugu State University of Science and Technology on the topic From Confrontation to Consensus, Re-engaging the Separatist Agitators for Sustainable Peace in the Nigerian State. Inaugural Lecturer, Professor Felix Chinwe Asogwa, Professor of International Relations and Strategic Studies. Date, Thursday, 27 February 2025. Venue, Barrister Dr. Peter Ndubisimba Multipurpose Auditorium, Esut Abani. Time, 11 a.m. prompt. Signed, Ambrose G. Ugu, Registrar, and Professor MVON Ezamain, Chairman, Inaugural Lecture Committee. Be there.
Technology for service.